Hi all, welcome to Learn IT. Today we are going to talk about AWS Recognition Service and we will learn how to use it to detect if the persons in the images are wearing any face mask or not. Before we move ahead, I'll quickly introduce you to AWS Recognition Service. AWS Recognition is a SaaS, that is software as a service, which can analyze images and videos and provide a summary of the findings. Using the results of AWS Recognition Service, we can trigger alarms or notifications to remind people or staff to wear masks, hand covers, or head covers to improve and maintain everyone's safety in the area. We will learn how to write a Java based image analysis service which will create requests to process images for mask detection to AWS Recognition Service, and AWS Recognition will use or access images from AWS S3 bucket and try to find all the persons in the images. Also, it will try to find out whether the persons are wearing any face mask or not, and also it will return the summary for the image which is processed by AWS Recognition. Now let's go to Java program and understand this process. So guys, you can see I have added one dependency for AWS Recognition Service. Using this SDK, you will be able to create requests for Amazon Recognition Service easily to process our images. Now let's go to Java code and understand it. So guys, you can see I have created two string instance variables to hold image to be analyzed and bucket name information. So this is the bucket name inside which our images are stored. In the next line, I have created Amazon Recognition Client object using Amazon Recognition Client Builder, and I have provided region as US East 1 because my bucket is in US East 1 region. In the next line, I am creating a list of required protective equipment types. So guys, using Amazon Recognition Service, we can detect face cover, head covers or hand covers in the images. And we want to detect face cover or face mask. So we have to add protective equipment type as face cover in the required equipment types in the request object. In the next line, we have to create a protective equipment summarization attributes because we want to get some summary of the processed image from AWS Recognition. So in the summarization attributes, we have to mention the required equipment types like face cover, head cover or hand covers, whichever covers we want to, whichever mask covers we want to process in the images, we want to detect in the images. And we have to provide the minimum confidence value, like I have mentioned 75% confidence value for the image in the image to be analyzed. In the next line, I have created an object of detect protective equipment request class. So this is the final request object, and inside this request object I have used summarization attributes object, and in summarization request objects we have mentioned what type of equipments we want to detect in the persons which are in the images. So I am providing here an image reference, that is S3 object, and in the S3 object I have provided name, that is image to be analyzed. So we have written input1.jpg. This input1.jpg must be present in our S3 bucket, that is learn it demo bucket, and bucket reference I have given as bucket name, which is learn it demo bucket. Now we can use this request object and pass it to detect protective equipment method, that is with recognition client. So with this call, our request will be gone to AWS Recognition Service, and Amazon Recognition Service will fetch S3 objects, that is images, from S3 bucket and analyze those images for us. In the result, we will get the summary of the images, and also we will be getting the list of identified persons. After getting the identified persons, I am looping over the whole response data, that is list of persons, and for each person I am going through the response part bodies like face, hand or head, and I am logging the information whether these part bodies are covered or not. Like if we are getting a face information, then whether this face is covered with any mask or not. And in the next line, I am getting the summary from the result, that is summary of the complete image. And from the summary, I am getting total persons identified. Also, we are getting total persons with face cover in that image and total persons without face cover in that image. And at last, we are also getting total persons which are not able to be identified by the Amazon recognition. So we can get those persons using getPersons indeterminate method. Now let's run this program and try to analyze an image. So guys, you can see it has processed an image, that is input1.jpg, and it has identified persons in this image. So you can see in the summary there are total 12 persons it has found, and among those 12 persons it has found total 5 persons which are covering their faces with masks, and total 3 persons which are without mask, and there are total 4 persons which it couldn't identify whether they are wearing any mask or not. Now let's go to S3 bucket and verify this data. So guys, you can see it has processed this image, and in this image you can see there are total 1 2 3 4 5 people which are wearing masks, and there are total 3 people 1 2 and 3 which are not wearing any mask. And other than these people, there are some people which it couldn't identify because they are not clearly visible. We can see 5 masked and 3 unmasked people in the result. So guys, this was some quick demo for face mask detection using AWS Rekognition service. Thank you for watching this video. Please join me in the next video.